You've been strong for a long time, stronger than people realize. And sometimes you wonder if God sees how tired you really are. Psalm 23 reminds you of this truth: the Lord is your shepherd. That means you are being guided even when you feel confused. You are being cared for even when you feel overlooked. You are being protected even when the path feels uncertain. You may feel like you're lacking something right now: peace, direction, strength, answers. But the shepherd says you are not empty, you are being led. There are moments when God makes you lie down, not because you failed, but because your soul needs rest. Rest is not weakness, it's how God prepares you to keep going. He leads you beside still waters, where your spirit can finally slow down, where the noise fades and you remember who you are in Him. He restores your soul, not the version of you that smiles in public, but the part that's been quietly hurting. And yes, you may be walking through a valley right now, but notice this: you are walking through it, not stuck, not forgotten, not alone. Fear doesn't get the final word, because the shepherd is with you. His rod and his staff guide you, sometimes correcting you, sometimes protecting you, always loving you. God prepares a table for you, even when life feels unfair, even when others don't understand your journey. You don't have to compete, you don't have to explain. God will sustain you. Your cup overflows with mercy for your mistakes, with grace for your weakness, with strength for another day, and goodness and mercy are following you, even now, especially now. So take heart, trust the shepherd, keep walking, because your story doesn't end in the valley, it ends in the presence of God.